Welcome to the channel, Silky's Closet. Today I'm going to be doing unboxing and review of the Russell Hobbs Madison Cream Kettle. Okay, it has an up to 3-year guarantee, a 360-degree swivel base, so that means that you can pick it up from your right and left hand, and large capacity. You can put a lot of water in there, 1.7 liters, and rapid boil, 3 kilowatts. It comes with a washable filter and the lid, you pull it up. It has a water gauge and a neon light for the power switch. Okay, so I bought this from Tesco Direct online. I looked at other ones in other stores, but this was the cheapest. It was £16.50, down from £33, and I ordered it one night. And I picked it up the next morning in Tesco Direct on their Click and Collect, so it was quite cool. It's quite quick and easy. So I'm just going to unbox the kettle. So this is the instruction manual. It hasn't got much to it. We all know how to use a kettle. So this is the base. It's quite nice, it's quite smart, nice looking kettle. The pros and cons of this kettle is that the pros are it looks nice, it's quite stylish, it'll look stylish in your kitchen. And the base, you don't have to put it in one specific area, you can put it down anywhere. And it doesn't bubble over. My previous kettle, it used to bubble out of the spout when the boiling was coming to the end, so it doesn't bubble over. The cons are that it's not actually rapid. It takes a long time to boil the whole kettle. This gauge is annoying. I can't really see how much water is in the kettle, and it's loud when you're boiling it. But, you know, they're trying to sell it like some fancy, stylish, high-end kettle. It's just a regular kettle. It was on deal for £16.50, down from £33, so I just bought it from Tesco Direct. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review of the Russell Hobbs kettle. Any comments, leave below. Item details will be in the description. Please subscribe.